Imagine cruising down a 1950s highway in something that looks like a cross between a futuristic airplane fuselage and a luxury trailer. Sleek, rounded, almost floating above the road. What if I told you this wasn't a concept sketch, but a real machine you could actually tow? The Airfloat Land Yacht wasn't just another camper. It was a bold vision of mobile living that pushed the boundaries of design, comfort, and imagination. So how did this unusual land yacht earn its name, and why does it still fascinate automotive enthusiasts today? Let's take a closer look. The Airfloat Land Yacht emerged at a time when post-war optimism was reshaping transportation and leisure. Unlike conventional trailers, which were often boxy and purely functional, the Airfloat embraced a futuristic philosophy inspired by aviation and streamlining. Its designers envisioned a mobile living space that combined the elegance of a yacht with the practicality of a road-going camper. The goal wasn't just transportation, it was experience. With smooth curves and an emphasis on aerodynamics, the land yacht stood apart from the utilitarian designs of its era. It represented a shift toward lifestyle-oriented vehicles, where travel itself became a luxurious, almost glamorous activity rather than a simple means of getting from point A to point B. Underneath its striking exterior, the Airfloat Land Yacht was built on a robust and carefully engineered chassis designed for stability and durability. Unlike many lightweight trailers of the time, it featured a more rigid structural framework to support its unique shape and integrated systems. The construction approach leaned heavily on aircraft-inspired techniques, including lightweight materials and reinforced joints to maintain strength without excessive weight. Manufacturers focused on ensuring that the trailer could withstand long-distance travel while maintaining structural integrity. Its balanced design minimized sway during towing, a crucial consideration for safety. These engineering decisions reflected a thoughtful blend of innovation and practicality, ensuring the land yacht was not just visually striking, but also roadworthy. The Airfloat Land Yacht's mechanical layout was optimized for towing efficiency and road stability. Its weight distribution was carefully calculated, with heavier components positioned low and centrally to reduce the risk of fishtailing. The suspension system, while relatively simple by modern standards, was tuned to absorb road vibrations and provide a smoother ride for both the trailer and towing vehicle. Aerodynamics played a surprisingly important role. The rounded, streamlined body reduced drag compared to box-shaped trailers, making it easier to tow at highway speeds. Additionally, its coupling system was designed for better articulation, allowing smoother turns and improved handling. These innovations combined to create a towing experience that felt remarkably advanced for its time. Initially, the Airfloat Land Yacht was praised for its ease of towing and relatively stable performance on open roads. Owners found that its aerodynamic shape reduced strain on towing vehicles, improving fuel efficiency compared to bulkier alternatives. Over time, some units underwent modifications, including upgraded suspension components and improved braking systems to keep pace with evolving road conditions and faster automobiles. These enhancements extended the land yacht's usability into later decades, allowing it to remain relevant even as towing vehicles became more powerful. While not a performance vehicle in the traditional sense, its adaptability and reliability ensured that it could continue serving its purpose effectively, evolving alongside the changing automotive landscape. Visually, the Airfloat Land Yacht was a masterpiece of mid-century design. Its smooth, curving shell was often constructed from lightweight aluminum, giving it both durability and a polished, modern appearance. Large windows enhanced the sense of openness, flooding the interior with natural light. Inside, the layout prioritized comfort and efficiency, with built-in seating, sleeping areas, and compact kitchen facilities. The design echoed the luxury of a yacht cabin, with clever storage solutions and attention to detail. Despite its relatively compact size, the interior felt inviting and sophisticated. This balance of form and function made the land yacht not just a trailer, but a stylish mobile retreat. In real-world use, the Airfloat Land Yacht appealed to a growing class of post-war travelers eager to explore the open road. Families and adventurers alike were drawn to its unique combination of style and practicality. It was often used for long-distance road trips, weekend getaways, and even extended travel, thanks to its self-contained amenities. The streamlined design proved advantageous on highways, where reduced drag made towing more manageable. Owners appreciated its stability and relatively comfortable ride, especially compared to more basic trailers. The land yacht became a symbol of freedom and mobility, embodying the spirit of exploration that defined the era's burgeoning road culture. As time passed, many Airfloat land yachts fell out of regular use, replaced by more modern recreational vehicles. However, a number of these unique trailers were preserved by collectors and enthusiasts who recognized their historical and design significance. Restoration efforts have brought several examples back to life, carefully maintaining their original features while sometimes incorporating subtle modern upgrades. Today, restored units occasionally appear at vintage trailer rallies and automotive exhibitions, where they attract admiration for their distinctive style. Their rarity and craftsmanship have elevated them to collector status, ensuring that the Airfloat Land Yacht remains a celebrated artifact of mid-century innovation. The Airfloat Land Yacht holds an important place in the evolution of recreational vehicles. It demonstrated that trailers could be more than utilitarian. They could be expressions of design, comfort, and aspiration. Its emphasis on aerodynamics and aesthetics foreshadowed later developments in RV design, influencing how manufacturers approached both form and function. Beyond its technical contributions, it captured the spirit of an era defined by optimism and exploration. The land yacht wasn't just a vehicle. It was a statement about how people wanted to live and travel. Its legacy endures as a reminder that innovation often comes from daring to rethink the ordinary. The Airfloat Land Yacht may have been born in 1950, but its vision still feels ahead of its time. It combined elegance, engineering, and imagination into a single, unforgettable machine, one that redefined what a travel trailer could be. Today, it stands as a symbol of creativity and the enduring allure of the open road. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories. And tell us in the comments, would you take a journey in the Airfloat Land Yacht?